Alright guys, so as you can tell from the title of this video, I have got myself a new car. It is this E46 320 Ci. Literally had it for about 13 hours and it got delivered at night time, and then by 9 o'clock the next morning all the rear seats had been removed. But got to a couple other fun things with the car over the past 3 days, and the rest of this video will be of the shenanigans me and Dimitri got up to. So yeah, sit back and enjoy this overly long video of us having some fun with the car. So today we're gonna do some weight reductions to the car. So I've already taken the spare tire out, which is cool enough. It's an actual alloy for the car, just needs a clean. We've made some money back, which is always good. Taken just all the spare tire shit out. The air filter was horrendous, like disgusting. So that's getting a clean. It's meant to be that color, nice and orange. It's straight black. So we're gonna vacuum that and just give it a bit of a clean, and yeah, get to it. See how it goes. It's not too quick. Took it for a spin, and it's not crazy fast, but it's still got some go to it. Yeah, let's get to it. So because of the state this thing's in, I'm gonna give it a quick vacuum down and see how much of... Will it focus? No, it won't focus. It's absolutely filthy. So we'll get the vacuum into that and see what we can do to it, but it's not good. It'd be choking the fucking shit out of the engine as well, so let's do it. So I just went through the whole of this thing, every single bloody space on it, and it was appalling. But because that was that filthy, inside here, it'll focus, is also absolutely shocking. So gonna vacuum the actual box itself out and give that a clean, and then yeah, just should be much better for the car, because that is fucked. So now it's all clean. I just need to wipe down the inside of it with the rags. So I just weighed that and that. That's 19 kilos. Apparently each wheel in this car weighs around 19.5 kilos. So 19.5 out, and that's about 2 to 3 kilos. So it's about 23 kilos out of the car. Gonna give all the wheels are polished, and chuck that back in. Yeah. So there's a bit of dirt in the boot of the car. Since I've taken all that out. The back's just full of all this is shitty dirt. But how cool is this? For 2002, you have your own CD stacker here because I don't know who puts it in the front of the car where the actual radio is. That'd be too smart. So now it's just a tad cleaner. Like that shit won't come off, but just tidying up a little bit as we go. Might give it a full wash today, I don't know, but love these wheels. Alright, so I've just given the car a quick wipe down, spray it with the hose and just clean it up a little bit. I reckon I will hop in the back today and get these out and then weigh them on the scales and see how much we save out of this. We've already got the boot completely empty, but yeah, find a spot that lets you guys see what I'm doing and let's get to it. So I'm not sure if this has the normal system to pull the seats out. Most cars have clips underneath. Oh, fuck. Oh, I don't know what's holding this in, but shit. So I literally had to yank it out, but let me show you guys. We've made, what is this? It's pesos. What the fuck? So this is pretty much out. It just, how do I pop you guys down here? Done. So what did we find with doing that? We've got a peg, broken plastic, more broken plastics. Oh, this shit's just crumbling. Is there, oh, what? If only that was real. Oh god! Oh, Jesus! Alright, so we've got these to finally get these stupid fucks off, and we'll get the rear fucking seat upholstery off. Fuck Euro. Yes. Alright, so seeing we took out the fucked up filter yesterday, the air filter. Alright, super cheap. Grabbing a brand new clean one for the BMW with the stripped interior. Oh, I haven't show you guys that after. Let's go. Here we go. There we are. Oh. Where the fuck?
14, 13. 2, 2, 3, 1, 14, 13. Why they don't have it?
Fuck it, we already got one. That is so much cleaner than the one I cleaned yesterday. Fuck me.
Yep. which way it goes?
Yes, it goes like that.
No.
Yes, it does.
No, wrong way.
No, it goes like that. Mission accomplished.
Is it gonna start?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just the law. Don't record them, you fuckhead.
Watch this go to shit.
Yeah, 100%.
Go home. It's illegal. Go home. Go away. Alright, so we've decided to get Dad's angle grinder and we are going to cut the rear muffler off and see what it sounds like. He's gonna, oh my god. Keep going. Oh! That's how you park properly. Awesome. So yeah, that's the current job at hand. Let's do it. Oh. And to also update you guys, we did get the full rear seats out yesterday. So in the back now, it is fully stripped. What? Dimitri's gardening?
Yep.
So that's all stripped, rear tyres out, car jack's out, and a total, oh shit, a total of, don't grind the tips. Replaced that this morning, that was disgusting. And yeah, all up, that added up to be 52 kilos. And now,
Yeah.
now we're onto the muffler, so let's get it. So I've got Dimitri the mechanic here, just jacking the car up, hopefully not popping our heads. Yes.
There we go.
And that's what we're going to be cutting up. So we're just going to cut the bottom of the muffler out so the tips stay there, so it looks legal. And yeah, mate.
Alrighty. It's twice as thick.
That's making some fit footage.
Water in it.
What?
Yeah,
Is it dribbling water?
a little bit.
Did you just get through it?
No.
Nah. 2, 1. So far we've cut pretty deep into the muffler and it's in pieces. Like, it is in pieces everywhere. I'll try and get it. Yeah, so Dimitri's cut a bit into the pipe It's a fucking bitch to do though. Alright, so this is the current cut up of the exhaust. Yeah, go. It fucking popped. We fucking did it.
Well done. That is not gonna work.
That is so not a German hammer.
Fuck. Very nice. Made in China quality.
So, someone let me use tools, and it'll focus. It's not going to focus, is it? That's, last time I checked, hammers don't look like that. Last time I checked, that is a completely street legal aftermarket exhaust. It's just custom made. Very, very custom made.
Very.
Alright, so far I'm pretty happy with that, but I reckon we could definitely get some more burble out of that.
And a bit more chop action on the exhaust.
Yeah, a bit more grinding on the exhaust. Give it some gentle rev. Definitely can go with some more chitty chitty bang bang sounds. But we'll see how it goes rolling at higher speeds.
Yeah.
Really? Can't. What the fuck?
Oh, the lights are fucked. That's why.
I'm not kidding. Can police just... What the shit? Dude, that's a CTSV. Wait. Okay, everyone in America will be like, oh yeah, that's normal. But that car right there...
Is not normal.
That's not normal.
And it's left-hand drive as well.
And supposedly HSV are bringing them in, which is our ASV.
Oh, another big later.
But
It's an E46.
yeah, CTSV, that's sick. Have not seen, I've only seen the 6-cylinder ones of them. Civic, look at the Civic.
With no plates.
Who's got no plates? Oh, dude, the Civic got no plates. You're gonna get fucked, boy. Oh, they're pulling him in. He's getting, oh. Look at the fucking sunset. Oh yeah, the car's much louder than it was before, and I'm very happy with it. What do you think of the exhaust?
I think it sounds fine like that. I don't think you need any better noise. That noise good.
I agree. Yeah, it might get a bit rough, yeah, but I haven't heard it from the outside yet. Yeah, it sounds good, but I know when you get through both the pipes, you can make it burble and pop. loud. It doesn't like to start up straight away on startup, which I don't know what that's from. Maybe spark plugs, but sounds grouse. This is just the aftermath of getting to where it's at now. Like, even a hammerhead is done. But I completely support doing this to your car. If you do it, tag me. And I wanna hear what you guys do to your cars. Hopefully it's all like VT combos and shit. I'm looking at you, Kyan. Fuck yeah. So it will get a proper exhaust down the track, but for now, I'm just, because this virus shit, all shops pretty much closed up, I'm gonna just play around with this. Maybe like go from the resi as well and just see how that sounds. But, so that pretty much brings us to the end of this video. So what we covered was the homemade exhaust and weight reductions, which ended up being 52 kilos with spare wheel, rear seats, upholstery completely out, and a few other bits and bobs. So inside there is literally nothing. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. It does help a lot, and I'm very keen for what future this car has on the channel. I'm not sure if I'll tell you guys everything for the build, or I could make a completely separate video on what my plans will be. So drop a comment below if you want to see that. I also want to make heaps of content with this car. It's bound to be a good time. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.